y'all? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make the perfect fried chicken wings at home. Yes, so if you like me and you like the whole Hooters B-dubs feel, but you want to do it at home, this is how you do it. So what you want to do is you want to get some party wings. You want to get some chicken select wings. So these are by the butcher shop from my local Sprouts, and these are chicken wing select. So I got some drums and some flats. Okay, next you want to soak it in some vinegar, water, and olive oil, and just soak it for about 15-20 minutes, you know, prior to cooking your chicken. Then what you want to do is you want to pat the chicken dry with paper towel. That way when you coat it in your flour, it won't be wet. Okay, so this is my little seasoning concoction right here. So it's just some unbleached white flour with some baking soda. Not baking soda, I'm sorry, cornstarch. So cornstarch is the key to getting your chicken nice and crispy and crunchy. Okay, so cornstarch, white unbleached flour, and seasoning. I use a lot of different seasonings, but you know, use what you prefer. You know, onion powder, garlic powder. I did some smoked paprika, some salt, white pepper, sea salt, white pepper. I did a little bit of black pepper, and I did what else? I did like an Italian seasoning or something, you know, something like that. So then you want to fry your chicken. So I already flipped the chicken over because I didn't think I was gonna record. And you want to cook it until the red cooks out, and then also until it gets a nice golden color. So these are about good to go. And what you want to do, you want to get a bowl with some paper towel in it so the excess grease can come off the chicken, and just put it on over in the bowl. Yeah, like that. Alright, and so like I said, if y'all like me and y'all like the B-dubs feel, you know, you want to do your sauces. So as your chicken is cooking, you want to prepare your sauces. So I'm doing hot, like hot buffalo, and also like sweet teriyaki. So now how you want to do your sauces is you want to put a very light, you want to put a little bit of sauce in a bowl. Not a lot, because you don't want to drench your wings. You don't want them too soggy, and then, you know, then we kind of ruined a little bit. So this is my teriyaki. This is my hot. I got to add a little bit more sauce in it. But this is my hot. So once the chicken get done frying like this, what you want to do is put the chicken in like so. Put the lid on it, and you want to spin it. Now I learned all this from working at B-dubs. I actually worked there for some time. So you want to just spin it. See that? You want to spin the wings. Spin them nice and good so they can collect all that sauce. Okay? And then voila. You got a nice, crispy, airy, crunchy chicken wing. And you already know I gotta do a little bite test. It's hot. Can y'all hear the crunch? I hope y'all can hear the crunch. But that is how you make the perfect fried chicken. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.